So these are the OnePlus buds, the company's new take on a pair of truly wireless earbuds that I'm sure look quite familiar in design to the thousands of earbuds out there. And to get things started, let's talk about the price and specs. So for $79 US, you're going to be getting Bluetooth 5.0, an IPX4 rating, 13.4mm drivers to help enjoy richer tones and some deeper bass. And if you are someone that uses the earbuds all day, well, you should see anywhere from about 7 hours of battery life. And when fully charged with the case, you should see anywhere from about 30 hours of use, with the ability, of course, to get 10 hours of use on a 10-minute charge. Now, OnePlus also advertises low latency on these, so enjoying content should be quite nice. So for the price, it seems you're getting some pretty decently spec'd earbuds. Nothing too crazy, but not so bad either. In the box, we do get the buds along with the dedicated charging case, a USB Type-C cable. Happy to see that there, especially if you're an Android user. And straight off the bat, the case reminds me a little of the Pixel Buds minus the black accents around the case. At the bottom again, the USB Type-C port, and towards the front of the case, an LED indicator. And of course, if we turn it around again, we'll see that pairing button. The case does feel really nice in the hand, has this really nice matte texture to it, similar to the Pixel Buds. And then there's that click again, feeling quite premium. As for the actual buds, well, you kind of already know. They're quite similar to Apple's AirPods. It just seems that the design really took off and it's managed to work, so OnePlus kept with the same stem design, but you will notice that the area where the touch controls are located have that bullets design. Personally, I like the way they look, and if something works, why fix it? I do believe that these will get lost in a sea of alternative AirPod competitors, but I could be wrong. We'll just have to wait and see. Overall, they look great. They're decently spec'd, but we'll have to test them before giving our full opinion on these. As of right now, they seem like a fairly good buy, but don't take my word for it as of now. Either way, stay tuned for the full review. Sub for more, as we're really close to 1,000 subs. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.